Hello dosto, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. I am showing you the review of OnePlus 10 Pro. Okay, let's start. OnePlus latest flagship offering is here. After launching in China several weeks ago, we wondered when the rest of the world would see the new OnePlus flagship. The OnePlus 10 Pro is now available outside of China and we are having out round with it. It includes the flagship grade Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, a large battery, a new selfie camera and an updated ultra-wide camera. Yes, on paper, the update feel more like they would belong to a vanilla OnePlus 10 with more significant upgrade reserved for a Pro model. The recent rumors of the OnePlus 10 Ultra to arrive later this year is starting to make more sense. Okay, in the case, we hope to see improvement in battery life, and we are happy to finally see a updated 32 MP selfie camera. We are also excited to test out the new 150-degree ultra wide camera, and we wonder if we will see improvement to the main camera. Imagine processing the 10 Pro using the exact same main camera as the 9 Pro. Yes, the display panel in the same as that of the 9 Pro. It is rated of 1300 units of peak brightness and it has HDR 10 plus sports and able 120 Hz refresh rate that optimize battery life by switching down to as low as 1 Hz. More consistency occurs across brightness level. In North America, OnePlus is launching the 10 Pro with the single memory 8 GB plus 128 GB, though there are plans to bring the 12 GB to 256 GB to make the something in future. Otherwise, no, there is no vanilla's 10 variant, and OnePlus has been mum's as to why that is. We will reserve of judgment for the end of the review. So let's divide into OnePlus flagship option and find out what make it stand out. Thank